Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Trust you are doing good wherever you're watching from. Today, let me show you how I make pork meat Nkwobi. I know it is a common knowledge to make Nkwobi with, what do you call it, cow meat. But why not try something else? I made this with pork meat and trust me, it was so yummy delicious. Okay, so I seasoned and cooked the meat as I loved with my pepper mix and ehu, not ehuru, right? And then this is me making the sauce for the Nkwobi. Notice that the more you add the potash, the creamier it becomes. This potash is what we call saltpeter. Some people use the one from palm fruits head, okay? But this is what I got here. So mix everything and then add the owa, yes, and then add seasoning cubes, salt, pepper, crayfish, and this is ehu, yeah, the main odogu for this recipe. Then added some diced onions, some otazi leaf. Is that diced? Anyhow, and then the pork meat. And I mixed everything together, combine everything together, and I put it on the flame to cook, so that, because you can actually do this without cooking it or heating it, yeah, but because I just felt somehow, being that I didn't blend the spice in the house, so I needed to just heat it so that anything that is not wanted can just die off, you understand? And that was my reason of heating it. Otherwise, there was no need heating this thing up, yeah. As far as the meat, it was also a bit hot, okay? So yeah, at the end of the day, guys, I served this with my yam arita. I wanted to call yam plantarita because that was what I made together. But this was only remember, I showed you how to make yam plantarita. If you haven't seen the video, it's on my channel. Do it to go and see it. I served it with it, and guys, trust me, this was so delicious. Thank you if you're going to share this video so that others can learn. Kindly give me a thumbs up and drop me a comment in the comment section. Okay. And yeah, it is looking beautiful. That's the yamarita sitting there. Check out the video for this, okay? This tester portion goes to Uchechi Chinemerem, watching from Abuja, Nigeria. Thank you so much for supporting me. I hope you do enjoy it when you get it. If you would like me to send you a tester portion, kindly tell me where you are watching from on the comment section. Thank you. Now it is time to savour mine. Give me a thumbs up, guys. This dish was dishing, okay?